What's up, Boogang? Boogang crew, I'm doing some vlogging. Are you ready to go? Yo, how you doing?
Doing good. How are you doing?
Very bad.
Very bad.
I don't want to drive.
Are we on the Logan Paul vlog channel?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Logan Paul. Yeah. Right. Alright, Boogang, load up. Roll out.
Hey.
Autobot.
Кто-то положил на этот trunk этот
Oh yeah, that's
Tim?
that's it.
Tim, come on, let's go.
Tim's going too?
Yeah, he's right.
Are your windows tinted, Yura?
That one, yeah.
Okay, perfect. Because I'm gonna be holding the AK like this. I don't want someone like stopping next to me.
Yeah, man. That's on you, bro. If you go to jail, I got no money to bail you out.
How am I gonna, Yura?
What's up?
How am I gonna do this?
It's like you see,
and put on
it's like
the
you see a
mount?
church, братья и сестры, нужно.
Молиться.
No, you know, like usually, there's like each like every time they donate money, they like give it to some certain cause. So
Yeah.
we're gonna bail Eric today.
Okay.
Yeah, there's a record button.
There's some like Russian Christmas
people
Christians.
throwing out gang signs. We got everybody in the back over here. Mr. Naruto over there.
All right. We're gonna get our car.
My soulmate's age right now.
Я так испугал эту женщину. Я вышел, я вот так и шел, я не хотел ничего показывать. Она проходит прямо мимо, just holding this like that, and she was looking back when she's walking away.
Damn, bro, you're going to jail.
That's right, man.
You're going to jail.
People feel threatened.
We're just trying to open things up, guys.
That's right.
This is proof.
Doing it really cringy. Like, too busy trying to figure out.
Who's looking at the news? You looking at the news?
It is not what it looks like. What about busting on this ring?
Cut.
Hey, play the music.
And now I try to be someone you won't know. Every time I see you in the street, I don't want it to be like.
Very good food indeed.
How'd you like the meow meow?
That was a very good meow meow.
Meow meow was exquisite.
A really good meow meow. I think I heard some cats in the back. They're going like meow meow. I hope them chop a few.
So woof woof. Mark ate the woof woof or who?
Oh, woof woof, the classic.
What's up, boys? What's up?
Yura, let's install the thing. I can see myself.
Alright, I'm all set.
Be very strict. Depending on how severe the rule is that you broke, you might be sent home without a refund. Just so you guys know, okay?
Go. Nice, got him. Go. Go. Let's go. Take a picture real quick.